If you're passionate about technology and looking for a channel idea that can not only provide value to your audience, but also generate substantial income, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in and explore how starting a tech-focused YouTube channel can be a game changer for your financial future. Tech reviews and tutorials are one of the most popular and lucrative niches on YouTube. The tech industry is constantly evolving and people are always searching for reliable information, reviews, and tutorials before making their purchasing decisions. By creating a channel that focuses on tech reviews and tutorials, you position yourself as an authority in the field and build credibility with your audience. Before diving into creating your tech channel, it's important to identify your target audience. Think about who you want to reach with your content. Are you targeting tech enthusiasts, gamers, professionals, or general consumers? Understanding your audience's needs and preferences will help you tailor your content to their specific interests and increase engagement. To create successful tech reviews and tutorials, you need to stay up to date with the latest gadgets, software, and tech trends. Research extensively, follow industry blogs, attend tech conferences, and subscribe to tech-related newsletters to stay in the loop. Being knowledgeable about the latest technology will help you provide accurate and valuable information to your audience. To create high-quality tech videos, you need to invest in the right equipment. Quality equipment ensures that your video look and sound professional, which helps attract and retain viewers. Consider investing in a good camera that can shoot in high resolution, a quality microphone for clear audio, and proper lighting equipment to enhance the visual appeal of your videos. Creating compelling content is the backbone of a successful tech channel. Here's a few content ideas to get you started. 1. In-depth product reviews. Provide details and honest reviews of the latest tech gadgets, highlighting their features, performance, and value for money. 2. Tutorials and how-to guides. Create step-by-step tutorials to help viewers understand and use various software applications, devices, or gadgets effectively. 3. Tech comparisons. Compare similar products or different versions of a particular gadget, guiding viewers in making informed purchasing decisions. 4. Top 10 lists. Create lists showcasing the best tech gadgets or software in specific categories such as top 10 smartphones for gaming or best video editing software for beginners. To maximize your channel's reach and potential for making money, it's crucial to optimize your video for discoverability. Here are some optimization tips. 1. SEO optimization. Conduct keyword research to identify popular search terms in your niche. Incorporate these keywords in your video titles, description, and tags to improve your visibility in search results. 2. Eye-catching thumbnails. Create visually appealing and engaging thumbnails that accurately represent your video content. A compelling thumbnail can significantly increase click-through rates. 3. Engaging titles and descriptions. Craft catchy titles and informative descriptions that entice viewers to click on your videos. Use power words and include relevant keywords to grab attention and improve search visibility. Collaborate with others. Collaborating with other tech YouTubers can help expand your reach and expose your channel to new audiences. Seek out opportunities to collaborate on videos or participate in tech-related events to boost your channel's visibility. Starting a tech reviews and tutorial channel can be an excellent pathway to financial success. By focusing on a popular and lucrative niche, staying up to date with the latest technology, investing in quality equipment, creating compelling content, optimizing your videos for maximum reach, and monetizing your channel through various revenue streams, you have the potential to make a significant income while sharing your passion for tech with the world. Remember, building a successful channel takes time, effort, and dedication. Consistency is key, so stay committed to providing valuable content and engaging with your audience. With the right strategies and passion for technology, your tech reviews and tutorial channel can become a profitable venture and pave the way to financial success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on building a successful YouTube presence. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.